favorite kitchen appliance. Honestly, I am obsessed with the Magic Bullet, the little portable blender. I love smoothies, but I hated like lugging out my big blender every time I wanted one, and then I always like I made too much smoothie. So I love this because I get exactly what I want, portion size. I can make smoothies, dressings, salsas, anything really. Super easy to use. Screw it on. You just push down and twist. Blends super well. It's not super great with ice, but typically when I'm using a smoothie, it blends up the frozen fruit just fine. So it's not a huge deal breaker for me. But yes, definitely I would suggest everyone have one in their kitchen because they're just amazing. And
Magic Bullet Tour. With the base right here. When it's plugged in, it already works. And then we have like 3 pieces. This one, a small one, which I don't actually know when I'm going to use that. And this one, it has a handle, and I'm using this right now. But basically, you put stuff in here, and then to blend it, you put the blade on, just screw it on, and then press it on there. As soon as you press it down, it starts to blend. When it's plugged in, it just goes, and then you take that off, right? Everything's blended. You take the blade off, and then it's an easy choose your lid. If you want an open cup, they have this for you, where you just put it around the rim, and you have an open cup like this one, or you can have a closed lid like such. Bring it on the go. And then there's another lid that's super handy. It's a closed lid. You can open this and drink. Ooh, yep. So they come with like several pieces of lids for you for all the cups in case you happen to need to use all the cups at once. Yeah, I love it. It's so handy. It's very like just personal size. Don't need anything bigger than this, honestly, because I don't be drinking that much. But I made myself a protein shake. This is nasty. Don't buy that. But yeah. Whoops. Thank you, Mike, for the Magic Bullet. We love her.
So pretty much this Magic Bullet right here is really cool product to use, man, I'll tell you. The glasses are nice. I'm a person that's pretty much on the go. So I take my organic green juice. I put a little scoop of that in there with 8 ounce glass of water and a little bit of ice. Mix it up into there, and it does really well. I use it for shakes, mixing egg into my shakes in the morning and stuff like that. It works real well. It's a really good thing. I work out of the office here, and this product right here, it's a really good product. It's easy to use. You just, like you see, you put the lid on here, you know, you put that on, screw it on like that, and then you can hit that and just push down. And right now I can't do that because it's not screwed on all the way. But let's see if I can get this to screw in here all the way, and then I can put that in there. And you're just pushing down, basically like that. So you're pushing down, and you can twist it to get it to stay, and chop up your stuff. You can prick it out, shake it up, put it down, do this, do that. You can do that, and push down on it. It's a really good product for on the go, and this thing chops up ice really well. I swear by this. I've been using it now for 2 years.